Hey everyone, welcome to AutoPH. Today, we'll be checking out this 2019 Mitsubishi Strada GLS. This is gonna be a full tour and review and quick test drive of the Strada. We'll be showing you the different exterior and interior features. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our friends at Le Mans Stellar Motor Corporation Mitsubishi Angeles for letting us feature this vehicle. You can find their contact details in the description of this video. And please do leave our Facebook page a like to get faster and live updates as to what content will be up on our channel. The link is also in the description of this video. Here's the key, let's go ahead and check it out. The Strada is a popular pickup truck from Mitsubishi. The facelifted version was launched earlier this year with a new exterior, very much different from the pre-facelift version, with Mitsubishi's dynamic shield design in front, mixing design cues from the Expander and the Montero Sport. For us, this makes the Strada the best looking in the design department. This Mitsubishi Strada GLS has an MSRP of 1,445,000 Philippine pesos. Starting with the exterior, the Strada GLS is equipped with projector-type halogen headlights. Fog lights, turn signals, and halogen daytime running lights are on the bumper. Again, you have Mitsubishi's dynamic shield design in front, giving the Strada a sportier appearance. Moving to the side, you have LED turn signals on the side mirrors. You also get running boards to aid in getting on and off the vehicle. This variant of the Strada is equipped with 18-inch alloys in 265/60 R18 tires. Front brakes are ventilated discs while the rear gets drum brakes. The suspension setup in the Strada is a double wishbone suspension with coil springs in front and leaf springs with telescopic shock absorbers in the rear. At the back, you get LED combination taillights inspired by the Montero Sport's taillights. The exterior color on the Strada is known as white diamond. Under the hood, the Strada is powered by a 2.4-liter Myvec clean diesel engine with variable geometry turbo with 181 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels. On the key fob, you have your lock and unlock buttons. Getting inside, the Strada comes with Mitsubishi Smart Key Access System. With the key around the vehicle, simply press the button on the door handle to lock and unlock the vehicle. The side mirrors automatically fold when the vehicle is locked and unfold when unlocked. The GLS variant of the Strada comes with a black cloth interior. The dashboard received minor changes such as new 7-inch capacitive touchscreen displays. To start the vehicle, simply put your foot on the brake and press the start button to the left of the steering wheel. Here, you have the lever for your 6-speed automatic transmission. It comes with manual mode and paddle shifters. You also get a rear backup camera. This variant of the Strada is equipped with single-zone automatic climate control. Buttons on the right manually controls your fan speed, and the ones on the left controls your temperature. Here, you have your different modes. And here, your recirculation. The Strada comes with an updated 7-inch capacitive touchscreen LCD display. Here, you have your radio. A volume knob would honestly be a nice addition to this setup. Screen response is adequate. Here you can find your equalizer. Here you have your different media. The navigation screen in the Strada is clear, though we would personally prefer using Google Maps or Waze on our phones for navigation. Here you have your different settings such as for your display. Below, you can find your USB and auxiliary port as well as a cigarette lighter. You get 2 cup holders in the center console, as well as good storage underneath the center armrest. Above, you have your sunglass holder and your map lights. On the left, you have your push start button and power mirror controls. The driver's side window is automatic up and down. On the steering wheel, you have your steering wheel audio controls. On the right, you have the buttons for your cruise control. And below, you have the buttons for your multi-information display in the gauge cluster. The multi-information display shows your fuel range, average fuel consumption, average speed, and servicing schedule. The GLS comes with a manually adjustable driver's seat. Moving to the rear, the Strada gets a decent amount of legroom. Any adult with a height of around 5 feet and 9 inches won't have any problem in back here. In the center, you have storage and 2 USB fast charging ports. You have pockets behind the front seats. Here you have your center armrest with 2 cup holders. Moving further back, the rear bed on the Strada has a length of 1,520 millimeters and a width of 1,470 millimeters. During our short time with the 2019 Mitsubishi Strada, we definitely felt the improvements Mitsubishi has done to make the vehicle even better. Steering is on the lighter side when driving slowly, such as on a parking lot shown in this video. This makes the Strada good for driving in the city. Acceleration is definitely good. The 6-speed automatic transmission is also quick shifting with no delays. Engine noise is typical of a diesel engine, very similar to the Montero Sport. Ride comfort is definitely on the softer side, very smooth, similar to its Montero Sport sibling which we drove on a long road trip early last year. The leather-wrapped steering wheel also has very good grip and feels good when turning. Parking is also easy as the Strada isn't really that large on the outside. So that's all for the 2019 Mitsubishi Strada GLS. We hope we gave you enough information, and please do subscribe if you haven't, and watch out for more videos.